welcomes you, and today in front of us is a compact crossover SUV called Jeep Compass. Was launched in 2007, comes in petrol, diesel and automatic transmission and start at rupees 18 lakhs and the top model is priced at rupees 27 lakhs. And this is second generation Longitude 2.0 diesel optional variant you see. And this is Jeep's logo. This is the iconic 7-slot grille. This is automatic biaxon HID headlamps with DRLs, and these are co-running fog lamps. The old generation of Compass was named as Jeep Patriot. Jeep Compass is assembled in Mexico, Brazil, Italy, China, India and in India in Pune, Maharashtra. As of 2017, more than 28 lakh Compass has been sold in the world. The two-door concept of the Compass was made before production, but Jeep then launched the four-door Compass. Speaking of side profile, we get to see 17-inch alloy wheels is Jeep Compass, 5-spoke alloys. Here also you get the Jeep's logo and the matching of compass. There are turn indicators on ORVMs. There are rain sensing wipers. Length is of 4.4 meter, height is of 1.6, curb weight is 1600, ground clearance is of 178 mm. Talking about the roof, here we get roof rails, there is antenna, here is the spoiler with stop lamps, and there is the rear camera, rear fog lamps, rear parking sensors, and this is Longitude badging. Here's the Jeep logo, the rear wiper, and this is LED tail lamp. Let's open the fuel tank and we'll fill diesel from here. For safety, here you will get anti-lock braking system, center locking, power door locks, child safety locks, 2 airbags. Here you will get driver airbags, passenger airbags, passenger side rear view mirror, rear seat belts, side impact beams, front impact beams, traction control, adjustable seats, vehicle stability control system, engine immobilizer, crash sensor, center mounted fuel tank, engine check warning, EBD, rear camera anti-theft device, and in the advanced safety features electronic parking brake, dual note, electronic horns, electronic road mitigation, hill start assist, double track prevention system. Let's open the boot, and here you get 138 liters of boot space, and it has light on the side, a charging socket of 12 is given, light is also given here one more, and here you will get a spare wheel along with toolkit is given. Let's open the rear side passenger door. Music system of 6 speaker is found in Compass, and this is power window button, bottle holder, and here you will get Harman Kardon speaker. Pockets are provided behind the seats. Here you will get AC vents, USB charging port is provided. There are here also pockets behind the seats, and these are reading lights, and this is the dashboard. Now let's open the driver's side door and see. And here also you get harmonic cardinal speaker. Here you will get door lock, unlock button, all power window controls. And this is engine start stop button, and this is control of lights. These are AC vents, and this is 3-spoke steering wheel along with some cruise control also given. And this is dual tone automatic climate control combined with activated carbon filters. From here the infotainment starts, and this is Fiat Chrysler 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It will support compass, voice command, Bluetooth, USB, aux, radio, FM, Android, Auto, Apple CarPlay, and this is settings of climate control, apps, and this is phone settings. This is compass, and this is settings. Here is language settings. You can choose any language. This is display settings. This is units. There is also voice settings also. Time and date, safety driving assistance also given here. Here is also auto park brakes. Here is also settings of light. And this is door locks also, and this is engine off option. This is audio settings. So let's reading light controls, and this is passenger side vanity mirror, and this is 6-speed gearbox. This is electronic parking brake, and here are 2 glass holders. This is armrest. There is some space inside the armrest. And this is glove box. There is some space inside the glove box. All black front dashboard you will get. There are light controls, and at the other side you will get front wiper controls. Let's open the engine and see the diesel engine of Jeep Compass. The 2.0 liter multi-jet diesel engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox has a ARI certified mileage of 17.1 km per liter, power of 173 bhp, torque of 350 Nm. The engine level of the vehicle is quite low, due to which you get 2000cc engine. Even after being in the car, noise does not come at all. So this was the review of Jeep Compass Longitude 2.0 diesel optional. How did you feel? Please go to the comment and tell me. If you like the video, please like it and please subscribe to our channel so that any notification of our video comes to you first of all. In today's video, that's all. Meet you in the next video. Till then,